Hey, and welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, we will find out the best error monitoring for SaaS startups by comparing Sentry and Honeybadger in 2025. If you're looking for the best error monitoring for SaaS startups in 2025, then watch this video till the end and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any future uploads. And let's get into this. Sentry is a vital tool for software teams to monitor the health of their application code. It offers everything from error tracking to performance monitoring, helping developers gain clarity, resolve issues faster, and continuously improve their applications across both the front-end and back-end. Sentry provides code-level observability for top companies like Disney, Peloton, Cloudflare, Eventbrite, Slack, Supercell, and Rockstar Games. Sentry provides detailed error tracing that captures the context before and after an error occurs. Robust integration with Jira, GitHub, Slack, and more. Sentry offers impressive depth when it comes to resolving bugs in code, providing detailed yet easy-to-understand insights. Additionally, its plug-and-play functionality enables seamless implementation in just minutes. Although managing multiple accounts can be frustrating, especially when setting up different login methods for each one, and the error limits per plan can be restrictive, as a single bug may trigger numerous similar errors, leading to a month-long lockout. Sentry offers a free plan, and paid plans start at $26 per month. These plans provide additional features like unlimited events and enhanced support. Honeybadger offers exception and uptime monitoring to ensure web applications run smoothly and remain free of errors. It also provides context-rich error tracking, includes integration options with GitHub, Slack, and PagerDuty. It pinpoints the exact line of code causing the error, simplifying diagnosis, streamlines the troubleshooting process, leading to faster fixes, and also enhances app stability by making errors easier to understand and resolve. But there are no AI tools available for automated error solving. There are limited integrations, including the lack of Git support. The user interface could be improved with a more appealing color scheme and overall design. And when integrated with multiple Slack channels, it repeatedly sends alerts as the quota nears expiration, creating excessive notifications and noise. Honeybadger offers a free plan for solo developers, with paid plans starting at $39 per month, which include unlimited users, error tracking, uptime monitoring, and logs. Through that basic one-on-one comparison, you can easily choose what suits you the best. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this.